How to grow a beard. Ultimate beard grooming tips. Welcome to our channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to enhance your beard game. Whether you're aiming for a full lumberjack look or just want a neat, stylish beard, we've got you covered. Today, we'll dive into some effective beard growth tips that will help you achieve a beard that's both healthy and impressive. Growing a beard can be a transformative journey, boosting your confidence and adding a touch of rugged elegance to your style. So, sit back, relax, and let's get started on your journey to a magnificent beard. If you like this type of content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more grooming tips and trends. Your support helps us create more helpful content for you. Don't shave regularly. Contrary to popular belief, shaving more often doesn't make your beard grow faster. Let your facial hair grow naturally without frequent trimming. The myth that shaving stimulates hair growth has been debunked by experts. In fact, constantly shaving can irritate your skin and cause issues like razor burn and ingrown hairs. Embrace the initial awkward stages of growth. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but allowing your beard to grow without interruption gives it the best chance to develop fully. Be patient, as it typically takes a few weeks to start seeing significant growth. During this period, it's crucial to resist the temptation to trim or shape your beard too soon. Instead, focus on maintaining good skin hygiene and moisturizing your face to support healthy hair follicles. Maintain a healthy diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals can promote better beard growth. Foods high in biotin, such as eggs, nuts, and avocados, are particularly beneficial. Biotin, also known as vitamin B7, plays a crucial role in the production of keratin, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Additionally, incorporating omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon and flax seeds can help nourish hair follicles and support overall beard health. Use beard oil and other products. Beard oil is essential for moisturizing your skin and facial hair. It helps to prevent itchiness, keeps your beard looking healthy, and promotes softness. Regular application of beard oil ensures that your facial hair remains well-nourished and manageable, enhancing overall grooming results. Consider using complementary products like beard balm or beard conditioner to further enhance your beard care routine. Regular exercise. Engaging in regular physical activities like running or CrossFit improves blood circulation throughout your body, including your facial skin and hair follicles. Better circulation can stimulate hair growth in your beard area. Running and CrossFit also promote overall health and fitness, which can positively impact beard growth. Incorporating these activities into your routine not only supports a healthy lifestyle but also enhances the health and appearance of your beard. Use a beard comb. Regularly combing your beard helps to distribute natural oils evenly, preventing dryness and promoting a healthier appearance. It also prevents tangling and keeps your beard neat and manageable. Additionally, combing trains your beard to grow in the desired direction, enhancing its overall shape and style. Avoid stress. High stress levels can negatively impact your hair growth, including your beard. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which can lead to hair thinning and slower growth. Practice relaxation techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies to manage stress effectively and support healthy beard growth. Be patient. Growing a beard takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Stick with your grooming routine, give it time, and remember that genetics can play a significant role in beard growth. Each person's growth rate and density can vary, so embrace your unique beard journey. Get enough sleep. Quality sleep is crucial for your overall health, including hair growth. Adequate rest supports optimal hormone balance and cell regeneration, which are essential for healthy beard growth. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to promote robust hair follicles and a fuller beard. Seek professional advice. For shaping and maintaining your beard, consider visiting a professional barber. They can provide personalized advice, recommend suitable products, and ensure your beard looks its best. Additionally, consulting with a dermatologist or trichologist can offer insights into any underlying skin or hair issues, helping you achieve optimal beard growth and health. Growing a beard takes time, patience, and the right techniques. Remember, consistency is key. By following our tips on grooming, using the right products, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and seeking professional advice when needed, you'll be on your way to achieving the beard you've always wanted. If you're ready to start thinking about your beard style, we have the perfect video recommendation coming up next. The styles you'll discover will make you irresistible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more grooming tips and trends. Let us know in the comments what you think or what type of content you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Manly Assets. Because we deserve it.